Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are working on a master to-do list for your home. We're going to be using one of my free printables over at dmiddleton.com. Under the printables category, you can look for master to-do list, and I will link that below. So we're starting today in my kitchen, and I'm going through every cabinet, every drawer. What you are looking for are things that are top priorities for you. Maybe that's decluttering. Maybe that's deep cleaning. Maybe that's something as simple as clearing off your countertops. For me, I'm looking to declutter and clean and make my kitchen more organized and efficient. So I'm showing you every space in my kitchen. I'm holding nothing back. So you can see inside my cabinets, inside my drawers, and how most of us really live. You can also see everything that clutters up my countertops. So I'm going to need to find a solution for those items. We're also looking for things that need a deep clean or things that need a repair. As you can see, my cabinets are dirty, they're white, and they're showing lots of wear. They're also going to need a paint touch-up, and there are also a few knobs missing. These are the things you'll be looking for as you go through each room in your home. Look for things that need a cleaning, a good decluttering, or things that need to be repaired or replaced. Over in this area, we keep medications, vitamins, supplements, and first aid, and it can get very cluttered. And there on the counter, I keep my files. These are two of our junk drawers and tool drawers. Things are literally falling out of that cabinet. In here, I keep my files and old receipts and bags for things that might need to be returned to the store. This is the biggest clutter hotspot for me, is right here on the kitchen counter. So the goal is to come back to this master to-do list. Now I'm going to start filling it out based on what I've seen. My first one in the top priorities is going to be to declutter every cabinet. Now, I didn't even open the refrigerator, but that would be included too, as well as the freezer. My second item over on the organizing category is to organize the pantry. Under organize the pantry, I noticed I need to organize the silverware drawer. Remember, you're just listing things as they come to mind based on what you see. So under cleaning, I listed wash cabinets. Here I'm also listing wash all small appliances. Under my top priorities, I'm writing down that I need to clear off my counters. Under the home repairs and improvements category, I'm writing that I need to fix my silverware tray because the silverware is coming loose. The bottom seems to be coming off of that tray. Also, I need to replace those drawer pulls that are missing. Another top priority for me is going to be to clear that file area. Now, this is something that I only have to do about every 6 months. I usually just file the things that we need to keep in one general folder, and then about 6 months out of the year, twice a year, I'll go through and put those away. So I've made a note there to file my papers away. Under home repairs and improvements, I'm writing down that I need to touch up my paint. Now down here on the notes, I know you can't see what I'm writing, but I'm making myself a note that my paint and supplies were already purchased. I did purchase these a little while back, but I wanted to deep clean before I painted, and I haven't got around to doing either of those. Another thing in my notes, I'm making a note to find those missing drawer pulls. I know we still have the matching ones, and I'm not ready to replace all of the drawer pulls, so I just want to put the ones on that have broken off. Now I'm back under my cleaning list, and I'm making a note that I need to clean the interior of the oven, the exterior as well, and I need to clean the interior of the microwave. So I hope this video has helped. Let me know in the comments below. And make sure to grab your free printable for the master to-do list that I will have linked below. Thanks for watching.